So we're here at Metro Cooking DC, and contestants are divided into 6 teams, each with a series of ingredients that they must include in their dish. 3 judges will judge them on taste, presentation, and teamwork. So let's see how the contestants are doing.
Here you have the Oceania team, and we will be making pancakes with a tropical twist.
As African people, we love to mix things and not have it separately. So today, that's exactly what we're going to do.
We didn't realize that we had to use everything they gave us, all the ingredients, so we were only using a select few. So now we're trying to figure out how we can incorporate our sweet potato with our duck bacon.
Brought the Caribbean here to you today with the fish. We got the coconut milk, we got the plantains, we got the avocado, we got our spices.
I'm gonna do traditional Mongolian salty milk tea today, so I brought sheeptail oil.
What we're looking for today, overall, is taste. Use your ingredients carefully. We're also looking for presentation. And above all, may the best continent win. Ladies, it's almost time to get to your stations because time starts now.
Oh, it seems to be running pretty smoothly. And we still have 21 minutes left.
Okay, Chef said, what are you looking for? What are you looking for in these dishes?
I'm looking for overall taste. One tip for the table, I don't see any tasting spoons, so make sure you taste. Yeah. Make sure you taste. Team Africa, what are you working on today?
We are working on chopping and obviously making our dish very, very colorful as Africa is.
One insider tip that I'll give you is keep the teamwork going.
Okay, thank you.
Oceano, make sure you keep your table organized.
Chef, have you ever used sheeptail oil from Mongolia before?
I've never used sheeptail oil from Mongolia, but I will tomorrow. So one tip I will give you is make sure you watch your time because it's running out.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I think with this contest, we're looking for balance, taste, texture, and great seasoning.
I am really into seasoning, so I can't wait to find out what seasoning and herbs they've used from their country.
New combination of flavors that I haven't tasted before. So something that's gonna really just make me go, wow.
I think we need one more plate. Everything's running smoothly.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. I think the seasoning is there. It's perfect. Not too salty, not too mild.
What is the topping again?
It's yogurt and a little bit sugar sprinkling, and we have apple and biscuits all together.
Well done. I'm gonna clap for you guys. That was awesome.
Very well.
Thank you. Was this your first time cooking with duck bacon?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, who ran that? That's delicious. Well done.
Yes,
Thank you
very
guys
well
so
done.
much.
Thank
It was
you.
beautiful. It was
Thank you
light,
very much.
refreshing, and flavorful.
What do we have here?
It's bacon
Baked
with pepper.
And it's the duck bacon with the pepper.
Duck bacon, yes. Greek yogurt.
Kind of like layer that, and we're gonna get some of this stuff. Good job, ladies.
Thank you.
So what we have here for you is a sweet potato stuffed coconut infused tilapia.
Whoa.
I think they're loving it, guys.
Yes, they are.
I think they're loving it.
They're gonna
eat till their belly bust.
Presentation-wise, you definitely have the best plate in the house.
Thank you. Flavors.
So it contains 2 parts. One is sweet and one is salty.
Great presentation and a really nice play on sweet and savory. A little salt. Ooh, that's really exciting. It's like fun on your palate, isn't it?
I'm impressed. I'm highly impressed.
Well done, ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was really exciting.
The ladies have done an amazing job. Thank you to our judges. It's time for the results.
We have one standout team according to our discussions. So the winner is the Caribbean.
It was really stiff competition. I saw the other dishes and the other countries really brought it, but I mean, there's just something special about the Caribbean, and I'm so happy.